Well, my personal impression is very positive. We are finally back here in Hanover after 2.5 years, and I see a lot of excitement. People just simply meeting each other, having business conversation, but also meeting with colleagues. Finally, so long time without being able to be in person in meetings. That's what it's all about. I think we have a big lesson learned through the unprecedented time. Manufacturing itself, its core and key. Now, with the fact that there was a lot of workforce not used anymore to work in person there on-site. So suddenly a lot of manufacturers realized how it's important to have an infrastructure in place that allows remote working. But it's not just about collaboration, it's about working with machines, it's about planning shifts, it's about really making sure that you produce the throughput you have to produce. We have been seeing that demand for software has grown a lot as a based on a lesson learned we had on the unprecedented time. But still, the traditional way of delivering software is not able to keep step with this request or with its demand. So we have a gap, and in order to fulfill the expectation on speed and execution of digitalization, that's where low-code with composability come into play. The composable enterprise is a revolution for manufacturing industries because they have been investing in very solid, and they're still investing in solid monolithic system. They are covering a certain scope of what I need to address. So in the manufacturing space, in the engineering space, in the supply chain space, and you can consider other areas. But now the problem is that they are challenged by unique issues, and they want to also have a personalized entry point in their digitalization world. So for that, they are looking more on what they really need to compose their own application and turn important ideas into smart applications. And that's why low-code has been associated very much with this, but not just a low-code platform. It comes along with connections to specific database. It's come with more, and this is the power of Mendix, to bring more the industrial package capabilities. They are called the app services. That gives you an ability to consume industrial specific or domain specific industrial capabilities. Yeah, in particular, they're leveraging low code because they want to drive initiative. They are across multiple domains. So if you follow the typical way of software deployment, software delivery, you're covering domain per domain. It's hard that you can get an holistic view on specific areas. So if they want, for example, to follow a sustainability initiative in the company, so they can actually put low code to source data from the different systems. They are relevant to get an holistic view on sustainability. Yeah, there are many options they can do. So first of all, I would say they can modernize a running system. So in specific industries, in specific domains, we have been seeing the last 20, 30 years, so-called in-house system or homegrown system. Yeah, basically, commercial software that have been further developed and evolve towards being very, very attached to specific know-how in the company and hard to extend, hard to adopt. So with low code, you can almost keep the core clean and put a layer on top that allows you to use and leverage those data in order to attach them to another system and create a composable application. That's core for them because there have been many investments in the manufacturing industry, and our customer wants us to maximize the value of their past investment also going forward. We are giving a possibility to start from our best experience we're doing with projects we have done. So it's we have a lot of experience in different industries we serve. So we created the templates as a starter kit for them to take into consideration. There is not a must. They can take them, use it, and then create their own templates. And those templates are basically our opinion how to best reflect systematically how to solve a specific issue in a specific area of manufacturing industries. And of course, the templates they were building on top, using those connectors, using those app services, in order to make, I would say, a job easier to the manufacturer to get up to speed and create their own assets.